Alright, so I'm just gonna jump straight into the video. This is the Lumos Ultra, says here, the first edition. Now I backed this project on Kickstarter and it has finally arrived, and this is actually the MIPS edition. I think they ran into some production issues. I'm not entirely sure if it's been sorted out, but this is the first edition, and I got mine in the medium large version, and I opted for the charcoal black. So this is the unboxing. Honestly, I've got so much junk at home these days, I don't even know where to do the unboxing. My bedroom isn't so appropriate, but let's just found this chair down here, so let's just do the unboxing down here. Alright, let's just remove this from the box. It comes with a helmet, and this is the Lumos Ultra. Alright, it's got an integrated front light and rear lights. Oh, it says here, first edition. Okay, and this is how you adjust the sizing by twisting this. Okay, you could probably adjust and fit it to your head on the fly when you have this thing on. Okay. What else does it come with? Alright, so I ordered mine with this peak that you can attach to the front. Alright, just put them on later and we'll see how it fits. Comes with additional padding in case I need to remove it. These are the liners. So these are the really nice Velcro, not the very rough ones that you see on most Velcro straps. You know, these are the kind of Velcro they use for cable ties and all that. And inside this little package, let's see what this is. Probably the cable to charge, etc. Yep, that's right. So it's got some bands for you to attach this, because you can actually, if you're going to be turning left or right, you could actually press this, and then the rear lights in the helmet will actually light up. Okay, and it comes with a battery as well for this controller. Okay, and the charging cord, of course, for the Lumos Ultra. So let's go for a fit right now with the visor on. Okay, let's see how I'm gonna fix the visor on. I'm just gonna flip it over. It says here, front. Alright. Obviously this is the front. Okay, so this is the peak, and I'm gonna locate the Velcro in the front. I'm assuming it's supposed to be like that, and this fits like this. I'm supposed to remove. Okay, so in order to put this on, you're supposed to remove this first, okay, the existing liner in the front. Okay, so let's just remove this existing liner and replace it with the peak. Okay, so this will just attach very nicely on, and then look for the Velcro in the front, and then align it properly like so, and we should be good to go. Okay, all right, so let's just go for a fit. I'm just gonna adjust the rear over here, get it to the maximum allowable size. Okay. Okay. So I'm just going to adjust it. I have far too many helmets. I might, and I think I should do a giveaway soon on some of my existing helmets. But this is with the peak on, and side view. This is the rear view, and overall, I'm kind of liking the look on this Lumos Ultra. You know, I actually did back one of the first helmets on Kickstarter as well. I recall doing a giveaway on that Lumos helmet. I've got a really strange head. Got quite a big head actually, and it's always have fitment issues. So sometimes you've got Asian sizing, and then sometimes you don't have Asian sizing, and that is kind of like a problem for me. Yeah, my head circumference is around 59.2, 59.5. Yeah, so this M/L fits me really nicely, and it can go even tighter, but I'm probably somewhere in between. And yeah, this is with a peak, and I think with the peak it looks kind of cute, right? It looks almost as if you're wearing a cap inside, but actually you're not. It's just this peak. Let's just remove this and let me replace it with the original liner. Okay. You know, removing is really quite simple. You just tear off with the Velcro, like so. Simple enough. And then find these Velcro straps inside over here. You can see over here. Okay, we'll put it back on. And this is without the liner. Side view, rear view. It makes more of a difference from the side, you know, without the liner. I think it might be a little bit more aerodynamic. So say if I'm riding my birdie, yeah, I'll probably go for this look. Right. So that's my Lumos Ultra unboxing video. I just wanted to share it with you guys because I really didn't think that I would be sent the helmet so soon, because they did run into production issues. I received like a whole bunch of emails, like my shipment did go out, it didn't go out. I had no idea. Then it suddenly just arrived on my doorstep. So I was really quite excited to share this with you guys because, firstly, Lumos prides themselves, in integrating like the headlights into the helmet, and not just that. This one is with MIPS, and you guys know with all like the gyro helmets and the other brands out there, if you see this MIPS here, it actually means that it adds additional protection for the user, and those helmets are always priced like more than 200, 100, like the 200 region. This Kickstarter project was $99 USD, and I only had to pay $15 for shipping. So it's a really, really good buy if you actually back the Lumos Ultra. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you soon in the next video where I will finally review my electric bike from Mobot. See you then. Bye-bye.